Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to step by step find the casino chips in Hitman phrase Chiffre Elusive Target mission. It is actually really simple to do. First, open the map for the elusive target and make your way into the casino. Before you go on, make sure you bring a lock pick. It doesn't matter which type. Any lockpick will work. Once you are inside the casino, head over to the side area, follow the story path until you reach the correct spot. From here, crouch down and move forward into the restricted area. Now, use your lockpick on the door to get access inside. Once you unlock it, grab the casino chips. That's it, you are done. Thank you for watching.